First, Homo habilis, one of the earliest humans. Not very strong, not very fast, and honestly, not very impressive. But they did something that changed everything. They made tools. Simple stone tools, nothing fancy. But imagine being the first to pick up a rock and realize, wait, I can use this to survive better. That one small idea, that was the start of human evolution getting serious. Then came Homo erectus. Now, these guys were different. They didn't just stay in one place. They moved. A lot. They left Africa and spread across huge parts of the world with no maps, no plan, just pure survival instinct. And then they discovered fire. Not just seeing it, controlling it. Cooking food, staying warm, keeping predators away. They basically upgraded human life for the first time ever. Next, Homo heidelbergensis. Stronger, smarter, and way more organized. These humans didn't just hunt. They planned hunts. They worked in groups, communicated, and actually thought ahead. Survival wasn't random anymore. It became strategy. These were the ones setting the foundation for more advanced humans. Then Neanderthals. Built like absolute tanks. Short, powerful, and perfectly adapted for the freezing ice age. These guys could take down massive animals, survive brutal cold, and still keep going. They had tools, shelters, maybe even art and emotions. Honestly, if survival was a competition, they should have won. After that, Denisovans. Now this is where things get weird. We barely found any of their bones, so we don't even fully know what they looked like. But their DNA? It still exists in some humans today. So technically, they're gone, but also still here. Like a hidden part of history living inside people. Then Homo floresiensis, the tiny humans, about 3 feet tall. And no, not kids, full-grown adults. They lived on an island, survived, hunted, made tools, and adapted to their environment in their own way. It honestly feels like evolution just decided to experiment a little, and somehow it worked. And finally, Homo naledi. Found deep inside cave systems, far away from any sunlight. Not near the entrance, deep inside darkness. Which raises a big question. Why were they there? Were they hiding? Living? Doing something we still don't understand? What makes it even stranger is their small brain, but surprisingly complex behavior. Even scientists are still confused by them. And after all these different humans, all these versions, all these experiments, only one species is left, us. The ones who forget passwords, argue online, and panic when the Wi-Fi stops working. If you made it this far, hit like, maybe subscribe. You know.